Hi, and welcome to this video where we're diving deep into 7 transformative skills that are guaranteed to empower your life. 1. Embracing self-belief. It may sound cliché, but believing in yourself can truly transform your life. Think about those times when you doubted your abilities yet pushed through anyway. That inner belief, even when it's just a whisper, fuels perseverance and resilience. Studies have shown that self-belief can enhance your performance and increase motivation, leading to more significant accomplishments. Embracing self-belief means acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses and understanding that you can improve and achieve your goals. Remember, self-belief isn't just about blind confidence. It's about trusting yourself to learn and grow through challenges. 2. The art of effective communication. Join me as we uncover this surprising fact. Effective communication is not just about speaking well, but also about listening actively. Communication is a two-way street, and mastering it can open doors to personal and professional success. By honing your ability to convey ideas clearly and empathetically, you can build stronger relationships and foster collaboration. Active listening involves really hearing and understanding the speaker's message, not just waiting for your turn to speak. By focusing on both verbal and nonverbal cues, you can respond more thoughtfully and create a more engaging dialogue. Next time you're in a conversation, pay attention to how much you listen versus how much you speak. It's a game changer. 3. Harnessing the power of a positive mindset. You won't believe what's next when you start harnessing the power of a positive mindset. Positivity isn't about ignoring life's challenges. It's about approaching them with a constructive attitude. A positive mindset can lead to better health, increased creativity, and improved problem-solving abilities. By focusing on solutions rather than problems, you can navigate life's hurdles more effectively. To cultivate positivity, practice gratitude, visualize success, and surround yourself with uplifting influences. It's amazing how a simple shift in perspective can change your whole outlook, leading to a more fulfilling and joyful life. 4. The importance of setting boundaries. Let's explore the importance of setting boundaries and how they can transform your relationships and well-being. Boundaries are essential for maintaining healthy interactions and ensuring that your needs are respected. By clearly defining what is acceptable and what is not, you create a space where both you and others can operate comfortably. Setting boundaries can prevent burnout, reduce stress, and protect your emotional health. It's crucial to communicate these boundaries assertively yet kindly, ensuring clarity and mutual respect. Remember, it's okay to say no and prioritize your well-being. Setting boundaries is an act of self-care that benefits everyone involved. 5. Embracing change and adaptability. Join me as we delve into the art of embracing change and adaptability. Change is the only constant in life, and our ability to adapt determines how we fare in new situations. Whether it's a career shift, a relocation, or a personal transformation, embracing change can lead to personal growth and new opportunities. Adaptability requires flexibility and openness to new experiences, as well as the ability to learn from them. By viewing change as a chance to grow rather than a threat, you can navigate life's transitions more smoothly. Embracing change doesn't mean you won't face challenges, but it does mean you'll be better equipped to handle them. 6. Cultivating a growth mindset. Let's dive into the concept of a growth mindset and how it can revolutionize your learning journey. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and dedication. This perspective encourages continuous learning and resilience in the face of setbacks. By cultivating a growth mindset, you become more open to challenges and view failures as opportunities to learn rather than indicators of your ability. It's about shifting from a fixed mindset where you believe your talents are static to a dynamic approach where growth and development are possible. Embrace this mindset by seeking new learning opportunities, embracing challenges, and persisting through difficulties. 7. The role of self-compassion in personal growth. Finally, let's explore the role of self-compassion in personal growth. You are your harshest critic, and this self-judgment can hinder your progress. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during failures and setbacks. Instead of berating yourself for not meeting expectations, try offering the same support and empathy you would give a friend. This practice can boost your emotional resilience, motivation, and overall well-being. By recognizing that imperfection is part of the human experience, you can foster a more forgiving and nurturing internal dialogue. Remember, personal growth isn't about achieving perfection, but about embracing your journey with compassion and grace.